Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Today I've got Brock with me from Aprilaire.
How you doing?
Today we're going to talk about the error codes that the Aprilaire Dehumidifier sometimes will show on their display panel. And the first one we're going to cover is the E1 internal humidity and temperature sensor failure. So Brock, tell us a little bit about that one. Why would they get that? What can be done to correct it?
Yeah, so basically the E1 code, what that's saying is there's something wrong with the internal control board, or what we call the user interface. So what's going to adjust the RH up and down. So you're just going to need to swap that out, and we've made that very easy for you to do. All you're going to have to do is turn the unit off. We always like to unplug it as well. And then you're going to unplug the Molex plugs on the unit on the user interface, pull that out, get a new one, slap it back on the unit, plug it in, and you're all ready to rock. And then once you do that, you turn the unit back on, that error code will go away.
That's great. So is this something that a homeowner could do, or do you recommend having the contractor take care of this for the homeowner?
Yeah, so we always like to have our contractors do all the servicing just because they deal with our units every day, but this is super easy for a DIYer to do. If you were to get this situation on your unit and you want to do it yourself, all you'd have to do is call our Aprilaire customer support line and tell them the issue, and what they'll do is they'll ship you out a replacement part for free, and you'll be able to probably knock this out in, I would say, less than 5 minutes. So a really easy fix on this one.
Wow, that's great, because there's a lot of comments out there that says that if I buy a product from a Crawl Space Ninja DIY store, I'm not able to work on it myself, but the DIYer can contact customer service and get that taken care of.
You can, yeah. We have a lot of information out there now. A lot of people, a lot of the Gen Zers, the millennials like myself, are really kind of taking things into their own hand. We really engineered these machines to be really easy for people to work on, not having to have much electrical work to deal with and not a lot of wire stripping. We've made it really a plug and play application. So either a DIYer or a contractor in the field can typically switch out any of these products in less than 20 minutes. So.
Well, that's great. Well, thanks for sharing that with us. And please let us know if you have any comments down below. And I'm Michael Church here with Brock from Aprilaire, and we hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.